Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and this is part 2 of POM implementation. In part 1 we have learned how we can implement login page. In this part 2 we will see how we can do POM implementation of login success page, and we'll also run a test case and we'll see the difference in the code, and we also learn about the benefits of POM. Now the second page was login success page. Let's come here and we need to copy and paste this for reference. All right, let me remove all those unnecessary things. All right, so here we see that once we log in, we need to validate the logged in successfully, this text is there or not. So there's just one located here. Okay, and since we're using WebDriver wait, because we are waiting maybe for a couple of seconds to for that text to appear, so we need to create two instance variable, one for driver, one for wait. So driver and then wait. All right, again we need to create constructor use for this. Choose both. Okay, constructor is created. Okay, now we need to create an instance variable for that's located. Okay, that is our success message. So this is private success message, and that would be this located. Okay, now we have the locator here. Now we need to get this message. Okay, so for that we will create one method which will return web element, and that name we can give get success message. Okay, and it will return web element using wait until there will be expected conditions, and expected condition is visibility of element located. We can pass this. Located. Okay, so it will get the success message only when the visibility of the element is located. Okay, and we'll wait. There's a wait condition, is an explicit wait condition. For 10 seconds, every 500 milliseconds, it will keep on trying. So we have got the success message. Now let's validate the success message using one more method to check whether login was successful or not. Okay, here we can check. And we can check whether get success message is displayed or not. So we are done. Okay, so here in this login success page, this Java class, we have created instance variable, these two driver and driver wait. There was only one locator, so we created one locator here. Okay, and then we are getting the success message here, and then we are validating, and it is returning the boolean value, okay, true or false. Now we have created both of these Java classes. Now let's go to test class and create a test method. And this test method is like void POM implementation. First thing is we need to go to that URL. This is our URL. All right, next is we'll create one object for first page, that is login page. All right, second is we need to call that login method so that we can log in now. So this method need to call. It will take two arguments, username and password, and that two argument we can provide it from here. This is the username and this is the password. Second page was, so this will log in. Okay, this will send these details and click on login button. Now we need to validate at login success page. It requires both driver and wait. Let's assert this, and here we have the method, right? Is login successful or not? We can call this one here. All right. So you see, only this much of code we have written instead of this much. So if your test case, later on, if it gets improved, I mean, if you were to expand it, then it will take lots of time. Maintainability will not be good. So the entire thing can be done using this. Only these main lines of code. It's very maintainable, right? We're not hard coding anything here. Okay, let's run it. Okay, and see. So the browser is loading now. Okay, so when the login page, login was successful. Second browser link is not was test also. So for this time, we will use first message test. The second one is based on our base object model. So both is successful, both tests are passed. We can see login page test, and POM implementation test. Both are passed. So this is how you do it. Okay, instead of writing this messier code, you can just go for this. So what are the benefits of POM? What we have seen here. That first one is reusability. Okay, uses page methods across multiple tests. It is maintainable because change locators in one place only. Readability is there because test trees like user stories. Encapsulation is there because it hides Selenium details from test logic. We're not seeing any Selenium details here. So that's it for today. Okay, we created page object classes for login and success pages, wrote a clean test, and we saw it run. So if you like this video, hit like button and subscribe for more Selenium tutorials. Okay, and don't forget to comment your questions below. Thanks for watching. Happy automation.